Okay, welcome everybody. We're just doing a very quick review of a project that we had to do for our ISOM 210 class. We were instructed to create a website, number one, and also a mobile application. In this video, we'll be talking very briefly about our website and what it contains inside. So we decided very quickly to do a website on the mountain pine beetle, and we named our website Blue Beetle. Very simple, with very simple design as well. It contains just for the home page, number one, the title with an image of what the beetle looks like, as well as a disclaimer for people, just because this was a final class project and it was done just for educational purposes. So we do have a shop on this website, so we just don't want anybody trying to buy any of the products and realizing that we don't actually offer those products. But as you can see, the home page offers a few images of what the website would sell, such as phone cases, iPad cases, and just a picture of what the mountain pine beetle would, or what the mountain pine beetle does to the wood that it kills. The second page, titled Mountain Pine Beetle, basically gives us a quick overview of what the mountain pine beetle is. It is a species of bark beetle, and it is a very, very important part of the ecosystem. However, recently there has been a basically an overwhelming amount of mountain pine beetles in the Rockies, and their function basically is to attack and decimate old and sick trees so that the forest is rejuvenated. But because there is such an overwhelming amount of them now, there isn't enough trees for them to just devour and feed themselves. So they're actually killing also healthy trees, which is essentially turning them into tinder, as you can see from the images down below here on this website. And what it does is it's killing an ecosystem, number one, and number two, it's making the Rockies very prone to forest fires. So this is the second page of the website, just a quick detail. Our third page is our promise, which basically details the company's promise, the three P's: planet, people, and profit, which are Blue Beetle's core values. Basically, our company believes in the health of the planet and its ecosystem, and the health and the well-being of the people. And those two things are vastly more important than generating profit. But of course, we are not a non-for-profit organization, so the final P is profit. And we have basically our 5 phases, which we plan to implement as we go along. As we, for example, sell products, and we try to basically plant genetically altered trees that are resistant to this beetle attack after selling our products. So basically the main attraction of this website is the products page. Like I said before, we do not actually sell any of these products, but just for the sake of creating this website, we do have a product page. So we sell different types of cases, like our classic cases, paint splatter cases, wooden mouse, wooden keyboards, wallets, bags, iPad stands, iPad sleeves, and iPad covers, just to name a few. And we even put on the price there based on what other competitors sell their products at. And they are priced a little higher than some other cases, or of course keyboards and cases that you may see on the market. And that's just because, like other websites that do this sort of thing, we do try to use some of the profit to replant, like I said before, genetically altered trees, so that we can help save the Rockies as a whole. And finally, we do have a contact page, and on this contact page we have some client feedback and what they had to say about our company. aside from just our customer support, which is found at the very bottom with a phone number and an email. Customers can call if they have any questions regarding any of our products or any other questions in general. But we do also have a custom orders page. So if one of our clients wants to create a custom product or have one of our products customly created for them specifically with, let's say, an etching on the back, they can send us an email at custom@bluebeetleproducts.com, and there they can detail exactly what they want on which product and where they want it, and we can have the order custom made for them and shipped to them directly. And we do also, like I said, have a mobile app, so we will be talking about that in the next video.